Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're looking at Ruth Chris Steakhouse, and some options. Now, I have a bunch of this stock. I have about 400 shares, I think. And looks like we could be going lower, or we could be going higher. It's hard to say. Looks like we had a nice little dip down to 18 not that long ago. So I expect this to be trading in the $20 range, going sideways. You can see going back a couple months. It's been kind of in a range. Now, it came down from a high, but that's okay. I think this is a good value at this level. So I'm going to trade an option on this. So let's take a look. What I'm going to do here is it's called a straddle. Now, since I have a bunch of shares that I have a profit on, I'm going to increase the profit by selling a covered call, and a cash covered put. All right, here we go. Trade. I'm gonna go 213 and get real greedy. Go for a good amount and see what we can get. So we got 400 shares you can see in this account. Get a 213. Send the order. So break even 1787, which should be good. Should not go below 18, which is the floor. And 22 is a good price for me to sell. That's $5 a profit per share. I'll take it. Plus the additional premium that I'll pick up today. Okay, so I finally got filled at 197. Not exactly what I wanted, but it's not bad. So you can see here my cost basis for this stock is $16.29, and it's actually lower than that because I've been selling puts and calls against this thing, and I can shave another $2 off of that, so it's like 14 something. But anyway, my break-evens, you saw the break-evens. I think we're still pretty close to those, so I like it a lot. I think this stock is a good value under $25, and it could be going to maybe a $30 range. If you've ever been to Ruth Chris, you know they have high-quality stuff, all about customer service. Their stuff's not cheap, but it's good. All right, guys, go check them out. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more options trading. Thanks for watching.